Fiery protests in Arnett Gardens, Craigtown, and the neighboring Jonestown on Monday. The protest follows the police fatal shooting on Sunday, which claimed the life of 55-year-old Lucian Anderson. The police say Anderson was shot and killed during a reported confrontation with the police along Bryan Street in Jonestown. But the residents have disputed the police's version.
Tired of it. We just come in and kill everybody, sir. And then we say shootout. Come on, man.
Them carry me to the house. I'm saying, what me do? And I'm telling him for hold it. I'm saying, no, hold it. I'm saying, I don't do nothing. I hear blah, I don't hear nothing more again. Them kill him. I start bawling out of murder. It's not a shootout. Them is a liar.
Yeah, it's not everybody inside of the ghetto a hooligan. And the whole of we in here like hooligan. And the whole of we inside here like see the man them take the place and I turn the place, and mash up the place.
The residents voiced their frustration under the watchful eyes of the police on the ground as well as in the sky. Then they took us to the location where the incident unfolded. The bullet holes in the walls are just an indication of what transpired inside this room. There's another bullet hole here. And there's also blood stain on the ground. The relatives inside this house are insisting there was no shootout.
If it was a shootout and I run out film house now, no shot all. Look in this room. All right, I'm in that room and they take the body to that direction. If I in a room with the hammer, you just see some shootout, some hole, some something.
The fatal shooting is the most recent. However, old issues have resurfaced. The residents want the body-worn cameras to become mandatory.
Stop it, stop the injustice. We urge the Commissioner of Police to ask the police them to wear them body cam so we can see the real truth. If them do something wrong and them shoot off, we can see it on body cam so we can say yes, them wrong. But when they do things like this and not cover up, take away the man camera all time house and I tell people to pop down them camera as a police officer. What kind of police officer team is you? What kind of police officer team you do? Be? You not a police, you not criminal.
Meanwhile, the Independent Commission of Investigations, INDICOM, says the family liaison officer and investigators will be speaking to residents who are challenging the account of the security forces. But as the residents await the outcome of the investigations,
every day we're going to block the road until we get justice. We need justice. Because it could be mines, it could be yards, it could be any other else people pitney on the kick off door and kill and plant gun on them. That can't be right.